What's going on? What's going on? So, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you see I finally got back into a Home Depot. We're going to check out a couple tool deals. It's fall time. Unfortunately, to answer your questions, no deals on Packouts that I can see. They haven't really, besides, not the leaks, but the stuff online, they haven't really been posting too much new stuff. And in the aisles, it's actually just looking pretty par for the course. We have a couple discount shelves at ours, and the only thing I could find on it was the new gen M12 oscillating. I'm gonna go ahead and show you this. So, this doesn't really look like a special buy to me. $179. They've been trying to get these blades pimped out, and those things aren't going anywhere. Nobody seems to want those. Let's see what they got here. Yeah, no real specials over here, but I did want to point out, a lot of you wanted to see me take this guy, the 1/2-inch rebar demon, somewhere around a 1/2 inch, and put it up against the Milwaukee. They don't have 1/2 inch in long, and I have the block house. So what should we do? Should we do a 3/8 or should we do a 5/8 versus? Let's see. Do they have a 5/8? I think they have a 5/8. They do. Ooh, that's gonna be a pricey one. I reached out to Diablo on that one, and they haven't commented about why the Milwaukee one's faster. I mean, I'm fine with it because, I'm Team Red. But no real deals on this general stuff, but we have some end cap stuff. It's a good place for that light. Gotta love that light. Still gotta get the M12 light. But here we go. Let's see what we got going on. They're really pushing PPE. It's interesting. Okay, so what do we got going? So if you buy this 2 battery setup, which is obviously a CP4 and an XC4 and a CP2, then you can get those, which obviously don't get that one. That's the old model. It's not terrible. The stapler is nice. I've used that. Like, this is the better deal, getting the XC60s. It's funny how they've crossed off those two, because that's awesome and that's awesome. But of course, you guys have seen my beach setup. We love that M12 radio. So this would be a good deal, because I need to get the M12 rocket light. So getting this, we get 2 6s and then get that light for free. See if they've got any of it. All right, big combo oscillating packs. It's not a bad deal. Sawzall blades, again, more PPE. They've got these helmet combos, which are nice because it's got the light, it's got the holder, it's got sort of everything you need all in one. That's great. I actually remember, you guys, if you've seen the attic videos I've done, the base of that thing grabs, and I posted about it, and a bunch of people said, I didn't even know it did that. So that thing is super nice, and it's bright, and it's been out for a while, so it's been proven. This is this is a dual power, right? Yep, that's right. That's the one with the 110 and the battery. I've got that one. That one's great. We've got the old style hex driver, 59 battery, not the best deal. This combo kit doesn't seem too bad. Yeah, they're of course gonna try to liquidate those guys out. Like Jigsaw. Impact duty. That saw is the one that I have, and that guy is a beast for being M12 or anything in general. That saw is great. I love that saw. 129 for the XC12 3.0s. So you really, that deal over there on the XC60s and chargers, and then get a free tool, that's a good setup. And then these now These are rapid chargers, not superchargers, but they're dual battery. A couple people have made these into some good charging stations. That's definitely the way to go. Get 2 of these, set these on top of a Packout. Definitely a win. Look at how they snuck some Diablo in there. More PP. Oh, and then you gotta just ruin it with this blue. But as far as Packouts go, the store actually a couple months ago had like 16 drawers. Now they have 0, but they have some of the XLs. I got a couple of the rollings. Plenty of these guys. These went up $10. That thing went up $10 as well. Crates went up $5. Mounting plates, I don't think changed at all because those were newer. So anything that was considered like a product that had already been out, or anything that was a product that had already been out, they raised the price like $10, $5. And then not existing, but newer products, when they set the price, that was sort of taken into account shipping issues and COVID. So those haven't really changed much. It sucks. I mean, crates, $5 makes a little sense because it's sort of hard to justify $40 for them anyways. These things going up $10 sucks. But yeah, let's see what else. Packout Princess. Okay, so this guy is definitely going to be next on my list for in the house because my wife loves the Milwaukee vacuums, and why not? I got one of these and sent it to one of my Australian friends. I think that's the M12. And big surprise, the hole saw kits are still here. If you consider the price of the Packout, right, and what you're going to pay for a Packout, it's not a bad deal. It's not a lot in there. In that case, as I showed, just is a joke, but whatever. It's my opinion. But yeah, $39. I have a ton of hole saws. I'm not buying it, and I have a good bit of these half-size Packouts. So, but yeah, there's your fall deals at Home Depot. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave a comment. And thanks for watching, and I hope you guys have a good one. And make sure you buy some fun stuff at Home Depot. And it's time to pack out. See y'all. Oh, so hopefully I can get out of here without her noticing.
What are you doing now?
I've been caught. See you guys.